Hello and welcome to the lecture session. Today we are going to discuss about type 2 problems. In the type 2 problems, it is the construction of analytic function f of z when u or v is given. First step, given u or v as functions of x and y, find ux, ui or vx, vy and consider f dash of z is equals to ux plus ivx. Similarly, given u or v as functions of r and theta, find ur, u theta or vr and v theta and consider f dash of z as e power minus I theta into ur plus ivr. Next step, if u is given, then replace vx as minus uy and that is by using the CR equation, and if it is in the polar form, Vr is replaced with minus 1 by r into u theta. Similarly, if V is given, then replace in the case of Cartesian ux with a Vy and in the polar ur with 1 by r into v theta. That is by using the CR equations again. Next step is put x is equals to z and y is equals to 0 in the Cartesian form, and in the polar form r equals to z and theta is equals to 0. After this, next step is to integrate with respect to z. We will get it as f of z. First problem. Find the analytic function whose real part is log of root x squared plus y square. Given u is equal to log of root x squared plus y square. So this can also be written as log of x squared plus y squared to the power of half or half log of x squared plus y square. So we determine what is a ux and uy, that is differentiate partially with respect to x and y. So ux will be 1 by 2 into 1 divided by x square plus y square into 2x, where 2 and 2 cancels, we get x divided by x square plus y square. Similarly, uy will be 1 by 2 into 1 divided by x square plus y square into 2y, which implies uy is equals to y divided by x square plus y square. We know that f dash of z is equals to ux plus ivx. So, vx is replaced with minus uy, so that f dash of z will be changed to ux minus iuy, where we know both of them can be replaced. So, ux minus iuy, then f dash of z is equals to x divided by x square plus y square minus iy divided by x square plus y square. And put x is equals to z and y is equals to 0, we get f dash of z is equals to z divided by z square plus 0 minus I into 0 divided by z square, and imaginary part would become 0. So we get it as 1 divided by z. On integration with respect to z, derivative of integral of 1 by z will be log of z plus the constant. Next, determine the analytic function whose real part is sin 2x divided by cos h2y minus cos 2x, and also find the imaginary part. Here given u is equals to this, that is because real part is given, so we'll have to assume u is equals to the given function. Let us differentiate partially with respect to x by using the quotient formula, because numerator also we have x function, denominator also we have a x function. So we get 2 cos 2x into cos h2y minus cos 2x minus sin 2x into 2 sin 2x divided by the denominator whole square. So uy, if we do again 0 into cos h2y minus cos 2x minus sin 2x into 2 sin h2y divided by the denominator whole square. And f dash of z is ux plus ivx, and vx is replaced with minus uy. So f dash of z will be ux minus iuy. So we have ux and uy, it can be replaced. F dash of z is ux plus ivx, so ux minus iuy we get it, and f dash of z, that is on replacement, we get this. By replacing ux and uy, we get this. Put x is equals to z and y is equals to 0. On simplification, we get 2 cos 2z minus 2 cos square 2z minus 2 sin square 2z divided by 1 minus cos 2z the whole square, and the imaginary part will become 0 because here we don't have anything, that is 0. I into 0 is 0. On simplification, 2 cos 2z minus 2 divided by 1 minus cos 2z the whole square, because here we can observe 2 if you take outside we will get cos square 2z plus sin square 2z, it will be 1. So we are getting 2 cos 2z minus 2, and here we can take minus 2 outside, means we will get 1 minus cos 2z. Denominator is also 1 minus cos 2z the whole square, but so it will get cancelled. We get minus 2 divided by 1 minus cos 2z, and that can be also written as sin square z. So it will be 2 sin square z, 2 and 2 cancels, we will be getting cosec square z with a minus sign, which on integration we get it as cot z plus a constant, that is f of z. Let f of z is equals to cot z, u plus iv is equals to cot of x plus iy, that can be also written as cos of x plus iy divided by sin of x plus iy. On multiplication of its conjugate and simplification, that is sin of x minus iy and sin of x minus iy, and we will be getting this part, that is sin of x minus iy plus x plus iy plus sin of x plus iy minus x plus iy divided by cos of x plus iy minus sin x plus iy minus cos of x plus iy minus x minus iy, that is by using cos a sin b, sin a sin b. This on simplification, iy and iy cancels, we get it as sin 2x, and here it is x and x cancels, sin of 2iy, and here cos of 2iy and cos 2x. That is, here sin of 2iy can be also written as I sin h 2y. Similarly, denominator I is that is cos 2iy can be written as cos h 2y. This is what we get it as u plus iv. We can segregate this u plus iv as u is this and v is this. So we get what is v equal to from this. Already u is given, the same thing we have got it. So imaginary part if we compare, we are getting the v. Next, construct the analytic function whose real part is r square cos 2 theta. This is an example for a polar function. U is given. So let's find out what is ur and u theta. That is 2r into cos 2 theta and 2r square into sin 2 theta with a minus sign. Because cos 2 theta is differentiated, we get this one. Consider f dash of z is e power minus I theta into ur plus ivr. And r vr, here we don't have a vr. ur is there, but vr is not there, but r into vr is minus u theta. So that can be replaced. That is, vr is minus 1 by r into minus 2r square sin 2 theta. So 2r into sin 2 theta. So f dash of z is equals to e power minus I theta into 2r cos 2 theta plus I 2r sin 2 theta. And putting as r is equals to z and theta is equals to 0, it is e power 0 into 2z cos 0, and this is sin 0, so that it will be totally 0. We get only 2z, f dash of z is 2z, which on integration we get z square plus the constant. Thank you.